my name is Kaleido.I and today is School Fun Day, where I'm gonna talk about interesting or fun facts about school. So to start off, I have 3 DIYs to show you. Remember last time for my school fun video, I used these paper clips to do a necklace. Well, you can use another useful tip for the paper clips. You can make a bookmark. So, this is how it looks like. To start off, look around your house and find all kinds of accessories that you like. Like, example these. I have buttons and some jewelry that are fake. So, you take a paper clip that you like and then take any of the accessories. Example, a button or the jewelry. And so you must use this side. You cannot use this side because if you stick it here, you cannot pin anything. So you should put it here. Now we're gonna use the glue gun. Warning: remember to ask your parents for help for the glue gun because it's gonna be very hot and it's very dangerous. Okay, so I'm gonna let my mom help me glue this thing. Okay. Help your parents if they need help. And stick it on the pin. Like this. But if you don't like it, you can use any other accessories that you can find at home. And then you pin it. Like this. So that's how you make a pin bookmark. So we're gonna show you one more. Okay, so as you can see, this is a glue gun. So I'm going to show you how it works. You see there's a wire connected to the glue gun. So this is how it works. This is the part of the glue gun. This is the wax, the glue stick. This is the tip of the glue gun. So this part will get heated up, so never ever touch this part as it will burn you. This one, it will start heating up and the wax inside will melt. Then you can work this glue gun. Okay. To start off, our first DIY is a phone holder. So take 2 clothespins, and you can find this from Daiso or any stationery places. So you take your phone and you just do it like that. It's simple. But if you think it's dull, you can take buttons and take glue gun and then just paste it as you like. So ask your parents for help because this is also very dangerous. And then stick it wherever you like and make sure it's stuck there or else it will be loosened. The wrong side. There, like this. Or you can take stickers. See this? And try and see if it can fit, like this. Or unlike this, it can't really fit because it's too long. So you can take the rabbit one and stick it carefully like this. Isn't it cute? And you can stick another sticker here if you like. And here you go, a phone holder. So that would be easier for you to just watch your phone. This is how it looks like. Ta-da! And you guys might be asking what is so important of this. It's because like maybe Zoom, you don't know any place to put it and it keeps falling off. Like example, you put on a table and it keeps falling off. You can use this, and then when your Zoom class is on, you can just put it here, and then you can still write hands-free. You can still look at your phone hands-free, and then you can still write your homework down. So that's the use of this phone holder. Last but not least, we are going to make a bookmark out of cardboard. So these are the materials that you need: unused cardboard, scissors, strings or ribbons, and unused stickers that you can find at home that you like, and a punching hole, and a pen. So you have to take the scissors, find a cardboard, take the scissors, cut it into a rectangle like this. Now take the punching hole and punch. Okay, so after you punch a hole, take any sticker you like that can fit any order you like. And then take your pen, and write any words you like. And if you find that there's still a lot of space, white space, then take another sticker and just put it. And then write more words. Like this. Now, you take your ribbon or string, put it into half, and then put it into the hole like this. Then take this part, put it in the space, the gap, and then just like this. There you go, a cardboard bookmark. These are the DIY objects that I've shown you today: the pin bookmark, the cardboard bookmark, and the phone holder. Hope you liked today's clip. Please subscribe and comment down below if you want me to talk about interesting stuff or to teach you more about these. Bye guys!